guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's AC Lawson channel. So in today's video, we're going to unbox. Let's see how this thing works. It's Aurora Smart projector night light. Magical universe world for your space. This is how it is. Smart version. Let's see how cool it is when we turn it on. Looks like a bowl. Got the cord. And got the remote. I like the remote, it's white. And of course the manual. Anyway, let's try if this will work or not. Let's see, it comes with a battery, or do I need to buy battery? So I need 2 AAA battery. Let's see if I have battery here. Okay. Let's try to plug in. Okay, so let me just turn off the light so you can see it better, because it's really cool.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, now in the Bluetooth mode, you can actually connect.
Connection.
There you go. So you can actually play songs into your phone, but you have to pair it first. Make sure that your phone is paired in your night light. Yeah, it is. So it's SKE JBPJ01. Let me just open my YouTube. Let me see here. Let's play this one.
Verizon launched the first 5G network, and now we
You hear that? Because I'm playing the ad on my YouTube video. Let me just...
Ladies and gentlemen, today's video is a special one that I have partnered up with Best Buy to show you guys the hottest tech in gaming. And not only...
So, I'm playing my YouTube video. Can you see that? There. There.
Good morning, guys.
So basically, it's a speaker.
After almost a month. But
Let me just turn it off.
Video, we are going to talk about visible service.
Okay.
So, those who haven't heard this yet, this is actually a wireless
Bluetooth disconnection.
So I turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, let me just turn the light on. It's dark. Okay, you see it playing. You heard it. You heard the background music. So basically, it's a speaker plus the Aurora Borealis background light. And you can actually control this using your phone by simply downloading the Smart Life app. You can get it in Google Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, you can get it into the Apple Store. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi frequency, because the 5 gigahertz is not supported. So once you downloaded the Smart Life app, I will put the instructions on the screen. It's easy as long as you have the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, because again, if it is because this will not be connected if you have a different frequency. And you can also link it to your Google Home. After you install the Smart Life app onto your phone and then hook this up, the system or the app itself will ask you if you would like to connect it to Alexa. But if you don't like to use Alexa, you can definitely use the Google Home. All you need to do is close the app and then go to your Google Home app, and then just follow the prompt, and it's easy to connect it anyway. So that's it, guys. I really like this device because it's for all ages. If you would like to change the speed of the light, that would work. You can customize it by using the Smart Life app or the Google Home. So that's it for today, guys. So if you have questions, suggestions, just leave a comment below and I will try to attend it. And see you again on my next video. Bye!